Cyber hackers claim they have stolen the names, addresses and pictures of around 8,000 children and their parents from the kiddo nursery chain. A criminal group says it's using the highly sensitive information to demand a ransom from the company, which has 18 nurseries in the London area as well as some abroad. Joe Tidy is here. What more can you tell us about this?
Well, it's been described to me today by more than one expert as a new low in cybercrime, and I think I would agree with that. It's pretty hideous. So the hackers targeted this nursery chain, kiddos. They broke in, they stole as much sensitive data as they could about the children there. That includes names, pictures, dates of birth, addresses, phone numbers, parents and carers' details as well, even things like safeguarding notes and accident reports. They tried to extort the company for money. That doesn't seem to have worked. They then went to the parents, some actually taking the measure of calling up some parents to try and scare them into pressuring the company to pay. And they contacted me on Monday, the hackers, saying that they had this data and they were going to publish it on the internet, and they did that today. They published on the Darknet website the pictures of 10 children with their profiles and all this data about them. And it's a pretty scary time for parents. We spoke to some at the school gates earlier.
It's not super clear on what the risks associated with that are. I know that our bank details, it's made clear that our bank details were not stored in the Kiddo app, which is something, but trying to think about kind of what damage can be done with the personal details, including health details of our children.
Health and safeguarding details.
Exactly. Yeah, it's not super clear, but it's quite worrying.
So it's a small number when you think about the other breaches we've had this year with millions of people affected. But as ever with these things, it's not about the number of victims, it's about the data that's been stolen. This is sensitive stuff. Kiddos has not said anything to us today about the hack. They have told parents and nurseries, but they've not responded to any of our requests for comment. Meanwhile, the hackers have told me they don't care about the harm and distress they're causing. All they want is money.
Joe, thank you.